Hello again, and welcome to my last video in our dissection videos series. My name is Andrew Becker, and today I will be going over the structure of a kidney, specifically this sheep's kidney that I just dissected, including all of these structures right here. All right, so let's start with some of the more obvious external anatomical features. I'm pretty sure this is a right kidney because of the orientation and position of the vessels going into and out of the hilum. The hilum is this convex area, it forms the inner curve of the kidney shape. And into it pass both get my probe in here. There we go. The renal artery, right? And the renal vein, which runs parallel to it. And we can distinguish between the two because the renal artery, little nub, has a thicker tunica media. It's an artery, so it's got a much more muscular, thickened appearance. All right, moving on to the internal anatomy. The kidney is divided into a renal cortex, right here. It's kind of parallel banded line, and a medulla, which is deeper to it, right here. And in the medulla, we have these renal pyramids, which are these vaguely conical shaped things that kind of angle towards the hilum. And they are separated by renal columns, which are almost like projections between them from the cortex. They also contain nephrons. In the renal pyramids, they kind of all terminate into renal papillae that collect the urine, and eventually a lot of those come together. And when the canal is kind of wide enough, we get these minor calyces, which then funnel the urine into major calyces, like this one that I excised right here, which will finally dump the urine into the renal pelvis, which is kind of the common collecting place for all of the calyces and ducts, until it finally trickles out the ureter. Fortunately, they left me a little piece of it attached. It comes out right there, as you can see. These white pieces, you can see this little white bit of tissue, that's actually fat, and that fat is lining the renal sinus. The kidney's actually kind of hollow. From the hilum, it kind of proceeds to form this little internal cavity, and the fat likes to fill that up. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Since this is the last video in our dissection series, I hope you all learned something. I know I did, and it's been a royal pleasure. All right, thanks, guys, and have a great day.